Candles can create a warmer, more welcoming environment not only for guests but for yourself too. So, today let's look at some fun ways to decorate with candles. Hope you will enjoy this. But before we start, let me remind you once again your likes, comments, and share motivate us to prepare more decor ideas for you. So please do like, share, and comment. Subscribe us if you like it, and click on the bell icon to ensure you don't miss any of the weekly updates. This is absolutely free. Free candle molds are everywhere in your house if you know where to look for. For starters, open your kitchen cupboard. Unique objects provide lovely containers for your candles and are inexpensive to create. You just need to make sure that the mold you are using isn't flammable and that it's heat resistant.